Creating unique and enchanting cards just got a lot easier with the Magical Greetings Designer Card Kit by Twine & Company. Each kit comes with 4 blank cards and envelopes, hand and circle shaker elements, a mouse shaker card, 4 red felt flowers, 4 yards of black and white twine, 3 bags of Diamonds Shaker Toppings, 4 strips of bling, 4 creative sheets with sentiments and punch-out elements, and a full color instruction sheet. The Magical Greetings Designer Card Kit allows you to quickly and easily create 4 high-quality professional cards. To create the May All Your Wishes Come True card, grab the top fold card base. Glue the black rectangle of paper to your card base and then add the gray rectangle to the center. Next, tie red twine around the red banner and add it to your card. Glue the large black circle to the banner. Pop out the center of the shaker shape, remove the liner, and place it on top of the circle. Add shaker elements to the inside. Then, remove the liner on the foam and add the coordinating acetate liner. Next, add the black circle frame to the top of the shaker and glue on the ears. Finally, add the sentiment with foam squares and embellish. Try your hand at card making or expand your current stash with the Magical Greetings Designer Card Kit by Twine & Company.